Hey guys, this is Scott. I have some photos for you that are kind of remarkable. They're of Comet Neowise. Neowise was passing over Taiwan 4 o'clock in the morning yesterday. Now it's Monday, right here. It's Monday night, 10:45 p.m. and it's Monday the 13th, okay? This was on the 12th. We're about 12 hours ahead of America and the rest of the world. So this is Comet Neowise here. And here is a close-up of the UFO I put over here in the corner. I wasn't covering anything up. There's nothing to cover up, guys. There's nothing there. A lot of people say, oh, you're making a circle to cover something up. I know what you're doing. Okay. Here is the original, and I will drop that in, and we will see it. This full size, and I will zoom in. And as you see, the UFO's right here. I will zoom in more. And if I zoom out, you see there's nothing covered up. Well, maybe this white thing here looks like stars up here. So I didn't cover anything up. But if I try to focus this a little bit, and I'm going to do that, I'm going to try to add some dehaze to it a little bit, and then a little bit of sharpening to see what's going to happen. This is Photoscape X on the Mac. It's like a 10-year-old Mac, but it's still working quite well. Here is negative format, and you can still see the objects quite well, and they do look like they're balls of some sort. Okay, let's go back to 100% original and zoom out. That's just one of the 3 photos the person sent me. He sent me another photo. Here it is, a little bit further. The comet has moved from over here to over here, and he recorded that the object is way over in this direction. Well, that's kind of strange. It looks like the object is moving in the same direction as the comet, which leads us to believe that the comet is more than what it is, that it might actually be patrolling. It might be a spaceship that's patrolling its territorial rights that it's supposed to protect. And this ship is dropping off. Could be of military alien personnel, or maybe it's transporting some aliens from another place to this place and dropping it off on its journey in a giant orbit. So I don't know. Really, it's hard to tell with Neowise. But I did look into it, and I found some pretty cool things. But let's talk about this one. And when this one is, the object is a little bit longer, and it's harder to see, mostly because the sun is coming up. You see a lot more light coming across here. Let me zoom out. You see the sun coming up in the very distance, a lot more light, and so it kind of makes this a little harder to see. Here is here is the original, and let me do a close-up of this. This is a close-up of it, and I will try to add some brightness so you can see the darkness, and you can see that there's some kind of orbs or something to this. It's really hard to tell, but that's what it looks like to me. This is the UFO before I turned it into negative format. This is after. This is before, this is after. Add a little lightness, and that's what you got. Oops, lightness was still there. But that is kind of remarkable, isn't it, guys? It looks like 2 pairs of balls. I know. It looks like a ball here and a ball here, a ball behind this one, a ball rack here, and it looks like there might be a 4th one back there we can't see. So it looks like 4 orbs, 4 spheres flying back there. That's what it looks like to me anyway, and I just wanted to share this with you. And so here is photo 1, here is photo 2, and here is photo 3. Each one is unique in and of itself, kind of cool. Here is the location of the sighting. It's right over here in the mountainous area, in close to the center of Taiwan, but it was over this location, of course, because the comet was coming over this way, and probably nobody in China could probably see it, but I don't know. I'm not in China, but I'm over here in Taiwan, right up here, and my friend was down here recording it. So that's pretty awesome, guys. I'm really excited about this because I don't know what it is. It looks like to me that this object is a UFO that broke away from Comet Neowise, and it came in for a landing, and this guy just caught it by accident. He just caught it by accident, and wow, that's just amazing, guys. And it's moving in the same direction as the comet. It doesn't look like it has a tail. It doesn't look like a fragment of a comet or a meteor or anything like that, does it? It looks like a spaceship, some kind of ship that's coming into our atmosphere, breaking off from Neowise. Okay, guys, if you like this video, like and subscribe. I'll make more videos for you very soon. And what do you think's going on with Comet Neowise? Do you think NASA's lying to us? I sure as hell do. Okay, like and subscribe, guys. Stay cool.